In this video, we're going to explore the date function in Excel. This function is useful for creating valid dates from year, month, and day numbers. Let's dive in and see how it works. The syntax for the date function is as follows: equals date, year, month, day. Now let's break down the parameters. The year parameter requires a 4-digit year, for example, 2024. The month parameter requires the month number, ranging from 1 to 12. And finally, the day parameter specifies the day of the month, ranging from 1 to 31. Let's look at a basic example of how to use the date function. In cell A1, we have the formula equals date, 2024, 12/25. This formula creates a valid date for Christmas Day, December 25th, 2024. The result displayed in the cell will be 12/25/2024. So you can see that the date function successfully combines the year, month, and day into a recognizable date format. Now let's explore how to use cell references within the date function. In this example, cell A1 contains the value 2024, cell B1 contains the value 6, and cell C1 contains the value 15. In cell D1, we use the formula equals date, A1, B1, C1. This tells Excel to use the values in cells A1, B1, and C1 as the year, month, and day, respectively. The resulting date in cell D1 will be 6/15/2024, representing June 15, 2024. The date function has many common use cases in Excel. One such case is data import. You can use the date function to combine separate year, month, and day columns from imported data into a single date column. Another common use case is creating dynamic dates. This involves creating dates based on calculated values or user inputs. For example, you might have a spreadsheet where users enter the year, month, and day, and the date function automatically generates the corresponding date. The date function has several key benefits. First and foremost, it ensures validity. The date function creates only valid dates and handles edge cases automatically. This means you don't have to worry about manually checking whether a date is valid. Second, it is Excel compatible. It works seamlessly with all Excel date functions and formatting options. This makes it easy to integrate the date function into your existing spreadsheets and workflows. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.